Hello, dear Family First families. Welcome to February 11th, 2026. On the Family Life Skills calendar. Today's activity is space exploration, celebrating India's achievements in space and exploring the wonders of the universe together. Let's get started. Step 1. Learn about India's space achievements. Discuss milestones like Chandrayaan's moon missions and Mangalyaan, India's historic Mars orbiter mission. ISRO's accomplishments inspire global admiration. Step 2. Enjoy videos or documentaries about India's space missions. For younger kids, try animated stories or illustrated books about rockets and astronauts. Step 3. Talk about concepts like the solar system, rockets, and satellites. Use visuals or online resources to make learning fun. Step 4. Build a model rocket, draw planets, or design mission patches as a family. Let everyone dream of exploration through creativity. Step 5. End the day stargazing. Use a guide or app to identify stars and constellations, reflecting on humanity's journey from stargazing to space exploration. Let's see what you experienced and learned today. National pride. Celebrating India's space achievements inspires confidence. Critical thinking. Understanding science through fun, engaging activities. Celebrate the wonders of space exploration and dream big, because the sky is not the limit. Thanks for joining us today. See you tomorrow for another engaging prompt from the Family Life Skills calendar. Cherish today, celebrate tomorrow. Signing off from you, from the Family First team. Thank you and all the best.